This research line about extracts from marine resources with anti-obesity activity has been developed by two partners of the Blue Human Project together, the Blue Biotechnology and Ecotoxicology Research Group from the Interdisciplinary Center of Marine and Environmental Research, CMAR, with the support of the Faculty of Sciences of the University of Porto FCUP and the Institut Universitaire Européen de la Mer, IUEM, from the UBO Western Britannia University.
We'll use natural compounds coming from cyanobacteria and other organisms in order to produce bioactivity against obesity. So what we want to do is in a sustainable way by using our culture collection to produce extracts and fractions that will be done in order to assay the anti-obesity using different assays and to identify new compounds that can be used later to treat obesity and associated comorbidities.
The oceans harbor a huge diversity of life. We all know that these organisms need to fight for food, for shelter, for space, but this doesn't happen only at the macroscopic scale. Microorganisms also need to produce molecules that help them defend or clear substrates, in general help them live their life under the sea. So here, what we will do in this project is actually to pick up those microorganisms and try to obtain the compounds they produce by extracting them in the lab. These extracts will then be used for assays in diverse settings. In CMAR in particular, we will be focused on anti-obesity activities.
Obesity is increasing worldwide, but also in Europe. It's majorly caused by our sedentary lifestyle and our Western diet high in calories. Obesity per se is not defined as a disease, but it is associated to many other comorbidities as diabetes or cardiovascular, even to some sort of cancer. Obesity can be treated by, usually is treated by, in the first instance, by a better diet or by exercise, or it can be used some sort of bariatric surgery, and also a pharmacotherapy. Natural products are in that aspect an interesting way to combat obesity, where bioactive compounds can help to reduce obesity and related comorbidities. Since obesity is a very complex disease and there's many organs involved, like the liver, the fat tissue, the brain, the intestine, we use an in vivo model to analyze bioactive compounds on anti-obesity activities. In our laboratory, we use zebrafish larvae that are tiny fish that have as larvae already all of these organs developed. And so we can use them in microplates and add our extracts from the different marine organisms. And then we can read directly whether the extracts reduce lipid content in these larvae.